Hi guys, I'm MJ, vegan and cruelty-free makeup artist, and today I'm doing a BeautyBase takeover, how to create a very subtle, natural eye using all vegan and cruelty-free makeup shopping at BeautyBase. So this is the W7 palette Colour Me Nude, and it has 12 colours in altogether. It's the perfect palette to take you from day to night. I'd always recommend using an eye primer before you put eyeshadow on. What this will do is make the pigment of the eyeshadow a lot stronger and also make it last a lot longer as well. You can use a professional primer, however, concealer works very well. So if you use a natural neutral tone, the same colour as your skin tone, on your eye first, just pop a little sweep over. I've actually used the Charlotte Tilbury one. First I'm going to take the colour Alice, which is this one here. And this is a matte colour for the crease. I'm going to find the crease here and just do kind of windscreen wiper motions. And what that's doing is pulling your socket backwards. It's going to make your eyes look a lot deeper. You don't have to be too neat with this one, just kind of keep buffing it in because we're going to go over with the lid colour in a moment. I'm going to do the same underneath. Kind of give a bit more of a softer effect. And next taking the very pale colour on the end, which is called Latte, and it's kind of like a very slightly pinky nude matte colour. Really load your brush up with this, and what we're going to do is press into the centre of the lid and kind of buff it out using a flat brush. And there we have it, a very simple day-to-day look which takes 3 minutes, and you can play around with the colours too if you're feeling a bit more daring one day and want to be more natural the next day.